what is called a simple bar diagram. So simple bar diagram. Simple bar diagram is nothing but equi-spaced and equi-rectangular bars is called as a simple bar diagram from each one month. So simple bar diagram is nothing but equi-spaced and equi-width rectangular bars is called as a simple bar diagram. For example, if you know about the what is the temperature from the different months, January, February, March. So here y-axis temperature I show that, on the x-axis I show that month, and in the January month 5 degrees temperature is there, and March month, February month 10 degrees temperature is there, and March month 20 degrees temperature is there. That is called the rectangular simple bar diagrams. Simple bar diagram means equi-spaced and equi-width rectangular bars from different months. That is called a simple bar diagram. Thank you.